Good day, my name is Angela S. Clark from section CPE2B. In this video, I'm going to show the file commands for the Ubuntu Terminal. Let's first identify what is Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a Linux distribution based on Debian and composed of mostly of the free and open source software. In opening the Ubuntu Terminal, we're going to click here to show all the applications and search here in the search box. Let's type terminal. Then this will be displayed, the terminal, and click this one. Then we will be prompted into this Ubuntu terminal. Now ls. It displays all the lists and files we have in our current directory. So let's type ls, enter. Then this will be displayed. So we have the desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, snaps, templates, and videos. Just the same we have here in the sidebar. We have the files and other files we have in our current directory. cd. The command cd is it changed to home, or it directed to the directory. So let's try. Type cd space, let's say it's desktop, enter. So we're now directed into the desktop, and if we want to directed back to our home, we just type cd, and we will be directed into the default home. Now let's get back to the desktop. Type cd desktop. Oh, it's wrong spelling. Desktop, enter. Now we are now directed into our current directory, which is the desktop. pwd. The command pwd it functions is to show the current directory. So we all know that our current directory is desktop. So let's try use the command pwd, and then it displays what we have in our current directory, which is the desktop. mkdir. This command its function is to create a folder or update a new folder. So type in mkdir, then the name of the folder, let's say it's Jungkook, and press enter. So this means we already created the folder Jungkook. If we want to see if the folder Jungkook has been created, we're going to see the files in our current directory, which is the desktop. So we're going to use the ls. So this is to list all the files we have in our current directory. ls. So it's official that we have created the file Jungkook. rm file. So the command rm, then file, it removes or delete a file. But before that, we're going to create a file. So in creating file, we're going to use the command touch and followed by the file name. So let's type in touch, then the name of the file, For example, the name of our file is testing. Then enter. So we're going to check if the file testing has been created. Type ls to see the files of our current directory. Press enter. So the file is already created. The rm command its function is to remove or delete a file. So we're going to type the rm followed by the file name. For example, we're going to delete the file testing. So we're going to write the file name testing. Then press enter. Then we're going to check if the file testing is already been deleted. So ls command enter. So it displayed that the Jungkook folder is already left in the desktop in our current directory, and the testing file is been deleted. Let's create again the file touch. We're going to check if we create the sample file. ls. Okay, we already created the sample. Now we have our new file named sample.txt and the test.txt. mv. The command mv is it moves or rename the file. So in this case, we have this two file named sample and text. So we're going to move sample to text. Let's try mv space sample and the test. Enter. It's test. Press enter. We're going to see if it's already been made. ls. So as we can see, the test sample is being moved to the test file. Cat command. So the cat command its function is to input a file. For example, we're going to input a file in our test. We're going to use this command cat space greater than, then the name of the file. Let's see, it's test. Enter. Then we're going to type in any data we want to input into our file test. So let's see, it's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, up to 12. Up to 12 and 13. Then in order to stop the input of the data into our test file, we're going to use the control plus T. Control plus T. So this will stop in inputting the data into our test file. Next, more command. The more command it displays all the outputs into our file. So we're going to display this data using the more command. Type in more space the name of the file, test, enter. Then it displays all the outputs we have in our test file. Next, head command. The The head command, it outputs the first 10 data we have in our file. So let's type in head space test. It types the first 10 data of our test file. Tail command. The tail command, it displays the last 10 files of the output of the test file. Type in tail space the file name test and enter. Then it inputs that last 10 output of the test file. And that would be end for the Ubuntu Terminal exploration. Thank you.